Alrighty, hello guys. I am Stephanie with Charm Southern Home. Welcome to my sale. This is Saturday night, so I hope you've enjoyed our week of fall event. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Thanks for hopping on, you guys. I hope you enjoyed Tiffany and Dale. I watched a little bit of their show while I was getting ready. So my first item tonight is this metal bucket. It is 9 inches tall, and it's all hand painted. And then it's got a handmade rag bow on it. It does have a handle. You could stick some flowers in here if you wanted to. And it is number 147 for $30. It's got a salt box house, and then it has a couple of fall trees there next to it, and there are some leaves on the ground there underneath the trees too. So this is number 147 for $30. And then there's the bow on the side of it. Okay, only have one of those. All right, and then next I have some more rag bows. These would actually coordinate good with the one I just showed you. So for this one, these are my 4-inch rag bows. They come with the Rusty Bell, and you get a set of three for $10, and these are number 170, and this is like a black and tan, and then that kind of mustard color. So a set of 3 4-inch bows for $10. I was going to try to pull up my screen here, so hopefully I can maybe see some comments. We'll see. We'll try. Okay. And then in the same colors, I have these are my 6-inch bows. And they have the Rusty Bell. And I left the ties in the back, so if you want to tie it onto like a knob or a basket or something like that, you can do it. You get 2 of these for $12, number 119. And these are the 6-inch bows. A set of 2 for $12, number 119 for that one. Let's see. Try to find me. Don't know, not on there yet. Okay. All right. New item tonight. I hope you guys like these. These were fun to make. All right, so these are pies, wooden pies. They're painted on front and back. They are, I didn't even think to measure them. They are about 6.5 inches wide, and then they're chunky. So you're going to have your choice. So this is going to be the pumpkin collar, and they are $10, number 191, and just need to let me know which flavor that you would like. So then I also have cherry, so pumpkin or cherry, and then I also have blueberry. So pumpkin, cherry, or blueberry. Number 191 for $10. Just let me know which color that you want. All right, and I have these cute containers. These are made from like little seed pots. So you're going to get a set of 2 of these, and they are going to be number 166. 166 for $8 for a set of 2. They're really cute. They're very lightweight. You could set them in a bowl, on a shelf, or in a tray. $166 for $8 for a set of 2. All right, and next up, this one is a one of a kind. I only have one of these. Hello, guys. I'm seeing a few comments there, so hopefully you guys are able to see me and hear me good. All right, so this is a one of a kind. I've only got one. This is a vintage muffin tin. I love the look of this one. I don't know if you can see that like kind of square pattern there around the edges of it. I did add a jute hanger, so you can hang this up if you want to, or you can just lean it. And then I did a little primitive tag there with a Rusty Bell on it in the center. This is number 178, and it is $18. 178 for $18. I forgot to tell you guys, if you ordered from my sale, when was I here? Thursday. If you ordered from my sale Thursday, I can combine your order so you don't have to pay any extra shipping. So even if you've already paid your invoice, that's okay. I can still just combine your orders into the same box, and everything will be trying to hopefully go out Monday. So, all right, next one. This is a hand cut, a hand painted church on a pumpkin shaped board. And it's got a fall tree there. It's got some bittersweet at the bottom of it. It's number 174 for $28. $174 for $28 for that one. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna do this one real quick. These were popular. I've only got one set of these left. And this is a very big bag of the Putka Pods. They're not scented. You can put these in little bowls or little cups or just all kinds of different places around your house. I'm going to include a scoop with it. So when if you order this, just let me know what color bow, if you want the orange and white check or if you want the black and tan check. And I'll fix a scoop up so you can put the scoop with your pods if you want to. So this set is going to be number 135. It's $20. $135 for $20. And if you guys are interested in more of these, let me know and I'll see if I can order some more for another show sometime. Okay. Next up, I fixed this basket of goodies up. So it's a really cute basket, and I have just added things in here. There's a big pumpkin right there, some leaves, some corn, a cute scarecrow, and then there's a timer candle in here. And I actually have it on, but I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it is on. These are just placed in here so that if you want to ever change it out and use the basket for something else, you can do that. So, scarecrow basket arrangement. It is, the basket's about 14 inches wide. So 14 inches. So this is number 164 and it's $35. You get the basket and everything that's inside of it. 164 for $35. It's got the candle, and you can, if you want to even get this and then you can split it up when you get home and put it in other spots, you can do that too. So, all right, let me see here. I have another set of bows. You're going to get a set of 2 of these rag bows. These are 6-inch in the orange and white, and these are number 110 and they're $12 for a set of 2. Then I have some of the orange and tan and black 4-inch bows. So for these you'll get a set of 3. And these are $10 for a set of 3, number 158. 158 for that set. Okay. And then I have that same collar. I'll have also in 6-inch. So for the 6-inch one, those are $196, and those are $12 for a set of 2 in the 6-inch. You can lay these in a bowl on a tray. You could set it next to a picture. You could tie it onto a knob or lamp. There's lots of different things you could do with these. All right, and then I love this candle ring that I've got this year. This is a new one that I've had gotten. I've not had this one before. It's got the Putka Pods on it, and then it also has these really pretty leaves. The middle opening on this is about 4 inches. So inside of it here is 4 inches across. And then you can, if you want to fluff it out a little bit more, make it wider, you can do that. These are number 116, and these are $14. $14. The whole thing is about 9 inches, but you can make it a little bit wider than that if you want to. It would also look cute hanging on like a cabinet door or something like that as a wreath. All right, then I have, this is just a wooden board that I've painted, and it's got a cute witch on there, and she's got her broom, and she is number 151 for $18. 151 for $18, and the board is about 10.5 inches long. Okay, then I have another arrangement. These items are just laying in here. They're not glued or anything, so you can change this out. There's some Excelsior down in here. There's a pumpkin, a sunflower, some pip berries, a timer candle. And then this is a Longaberger basket. This is a little cradle basket. And so this whole set is number 120, and it's $24. Number 120 for $24. And everything in it, and it's not glued, so it's not going to damage the basket if you want to take the things out. They're just laying in there. Okay, then I have my handmade spiders. These are wooden spiders, and then they have metal legs on them. Add a bow. If you want a different color bow, let me know. I have some others that I don't have the bow attached to yet, so I can put a different color. Eyes and the head are dimensional. Number 73. These are $14. 73 for 14. Let's see, where have I been? All right, I've got 2 more of these available. These are the Bittersweet Candle Ring, or you could use it as a small wreath. It's about 10 inches across on the outside. The inside dimension is about 5 inches. Use it as a candle ring or hang it up as like a small wreath. It's number 161. These are $10. I only have 2 left. I only have 2 more, so. Okay. Then I have a set of pumpkins, wooden pumpkins that I've painted. It has polka dots all the way around. It has a rag bow on the top, and you get a set of 2 for $10, and it's number 145. And you can set these anywhere. If you have just a small space, you want to put them in like a guest bathroom or something like that, just to have a little touch of fall in there, you could do that. Okay, then I have another pumpkin with sunflowers. This is all hand painted. It's number 149 for $14. $149 for 14. Then I have a pumpkin arrangement here on a old bed spring, and it's got a rag bow with a rusty bell on it. It's number 159, and it's $16. 159 for 16, and this is about 13.5 inches tall. So 13.5 inches. Then I have a wood cutting board. You could hang it up if you wanted to. It's got a rag bow on there. Hand painted sunflower. 156 for 14. 156 for 14. Back is painted also. Let's see. Then I have this tea kettle. I do have the lid, so you do still get the lid with it. That way if you ever want to change it out, it comes with a timer candle. It's got a primitive timer candle in there. Lots of really pretty neutral fall leaves and acorns. And it has a rag bow on the side. So this is number 157. It's $40 for the whole thing. 157 for 40. I have this guy available. He's hand cut, hand painted scarecrow on a piece of wood. He does have a jute hanger on the back. He's about 25 inches tall, and he's number 192 for $24. 192 for 24. Thank you, Joanne. My number fell off. Let's see, let me find another number. Okay, so this is a shovel, coal shovel that I painted. This one I don't think had ever been used. This was a new shovel. Painted a pumpkin face on there. It's got pip berries, a rag bow. I did add a jute hanger if you wanted to hang it up, or if you want to just lean it up against your fireplace. It's number 129 for $22. 129 for 22. It's got even like a little rusty pumpkin there on it. It measures about 21 inches tall. And I almost forgot, I have these smaller pipberry rings that have the putka pods on them. These are $6 each. This is number 108. And I do have a few more of these available. The inside opening is about 2.5 inches. These would also look cute as a little wreath if you wanted to hang a little wreath on something. $108 for $6. And if you need more than one, I do have a few available. Okay. Then I have a pumpkin jack-o'-lantern scarecrow in an old sifter, and it's got some flowers and corn. And he is number 113 for $18. $113 for $18 for him. And I'll do these. I do these, and I was only on here for 15. These are pillow covers. They hold an 18-inch pillow. These are the last ones that I've got. They do have a zipper. They're a soft fabric. They have a zipper closure. This one is number 123 for $5. I only have one of each of these. And then this one is going to be number 199 for $5. And this one's got the set of 3 white pumpkins on it. So those are the only ones that I've got. And one more, and then I'm going to hop off of here. So I have a set of 2 wooden pumpkins. It's got the leaves and the sunflowers on the top of them. You get both pieces, and they are $102 for $18. $102 for $18, and they're painted on both sides. I think that was all. If I missed anything, I'll just post it on the page. So keep an eye out. There's lots of buy it now items on the page this weekend. Some people that are not even going live are posting stuff, so there's all kinds of things all weekend long. So be sure to check out the buy it now posts. I'm going to go ahead and hop off of here. I was only signed up for 15 minutes tonight, so thank you so much for watching and spending your weekend and your week with us. And happy Father's Day to any of the fathers out there. And we will see you again soon. Don't forget to join back tomorrow evening. We have more sales again tomorrow night and Monday. So have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye, everybody.